I know Vasu for last 25 plus years, and this testimonial is in her role of life coach and yogini. Recently, I experienced her role as a life coach and meditation and yogini. Vasu held a workshop at Pani Farms end of December for a very few invitees to teach us how to meditate and how to do basic yoga. I'm a very active person, but I've never done yoga and I've never done meditation, so I didn't know what to expect. And Vasu, as our yoga guru there, really helped us learn the basics of yoga. She started to really get us into what to do, how to start, what to expect, how to deal with the meditation. Excellent experience for me as a first timer. I don't have words how I felt. The yoga, the stretching really got us to got ready for the meditation. And the meditation, I think we did that for an hour, was really very peaceful. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do that again. She also hosted a few friends and me at her place for this ritual that she calls the Sacred Circle. Again, I did not know what to expect. The word ritual means a lot of things for us. So without knowing the details, I went with an open mind. And the way she conducted it was so genuine. It didn't feel like somebody was pushing me to open up, and with the most close people around me, I could really reflect on the last decade and focus on what the next decade is, not just as an individual, but also with family and friends. So it really gave me a clear perspective on how 2020 should be shaped. So thank you, Vasu, for all you do, and hope you spread love with your coaching and meditation to the rest of the world.